Hello children, welcome to Spark Physics by ASHISH SHARMA sir, the easy and simple way to learn the concept of physics. Today we are dealing with the next topic, that is acceleration. In the previous videos, we have discussed distance, displacement, differences. Then in the next video, we have discussed speed, velocity and different forms of speed and velocity. Please go and watch those videos till the end to clear your concepts, so that today's concept will be more clear to you. And watch this video till the end to have better knowledge of acceleration. I am sure you will be taking interest in it and you will be boosting your confidence on this topic, right? So distance and displacement, what we have discussed, distance is the actual path, displacement is the shortest path. Speed is the distance traveled per unit time, velocity is displacement per unit time. The unit was meter per second and speed is scalar quantity, velocity is vector quantity. So this is a recapitulation of the previous videos. Let us start with the acceleration. Acceleration is rate of change of velocity of the object with time. So acceleration we can write change in velocity with time. Since it is change in velocity with time, so the unit will be meter per second square, SI unit. In CGS you can write centimeter per second square. Yes, and it is a vector quantity. Why it is a vector quantity? Because it has magnitude as well as direction. Since we are saying it is rate of change of velocity, obviously जब velocity ही vector quantity है तो acceleration को तो vector होना ही है. Dimension formula m0l t minus 2. Then we have two terms, uniform acceleration and variable acceleration. Uniform, name suggests that object will change or the object's velocity will change by equal amounts in equal intervals of time. Object की जो velocity है वो equal amounts में change होगी in equal intervals of time. यदि वो 10 मीटर पर सेकेंड से change हो रही है हर एक interval में, तो वो सारे intervals में 10 मीटर पर सेकेंड से change होगी. Then it is called uniform. But when we talk about variable acceleration, the velocity of the object changes by unequal amounts in equal intervals of time, and even you can write vice versa, right? So this is variable acceleration. Then we have average acceleration and instantaneous acceleration. This we have studied in velocity also, speed also. That is average velocity, average speed, instantaneous velocity. So in the same way we have average acceleration. Average acceleration is ratio of total change in the velocity of the object to the total time taken. Change in velocity v2 minus v1. Time interval t2 minus t1 will give you del v upon del t. This is the average acceleration. As I told you, on the average velocity, you will be provided with the interval time t1 is equal to this to t2 is equal to this. Then you need to find out average velocity. Similarly, to find average acceleration, आपको इंटरवल दिया रहेगा कि t1 is equal to 4 सेकेंड, t2 is equal to 7 seconds. एक्सेलरेशन निकालिए, तो that will be your average acceleration. Yes. When comes to instantaneous acceleration, instant obviously at particular time interval, acceleration of the object at a given instant of time, we can say it is a limiting value of average acceleration. जैसे instantaneous velocity क्या था? It was limiting value of average velocity. ऐसे ये है limiting value of average acceleration. So we can write limit del t tending to 0. Del t tending to 0 means that time interval or the time, that instant is very small. Del v upon del t is equal to dv by dt, and velocity we can write dx by dt, so it becomes d square x by dt square. That means we will be differentiating position or x or s twice to give you acceleration. एक बार differentiate करते हैं तो velocity मिलता है, दूसरी बार differentiate करते हैं तो acceleration मिलता है. लेकिन velocity यदि दिया है तो उसको एक बार differentiate करेंगे and you will get the acceleration. Two more terms, positive and negative acceleration. Positive acceleration कब होता है? जब velocity increase होती है. When velocity increases, positive acceleration. When velocity decreases, it is negative acceleration. I hope the terms are clear to you. Here, when we are saying acceleration, आपने देखा होगा कि जब आप बाइक से जा रहे हैं, you increase the velocity. Velocity increase किया मतलब some velocity was having v1 say 60 km per hour, now next velocity you have changed to 70 km per hour. वेलोसिटी क्या हुआ, इंक्रीज हुआ v1 से v2, 60 से 70, दैट इज कॉल्ड positive acceleration. You have accelerated your bike or your vehicle. When we talk about negative, आपने velocity को कम किया है, then it is negative acceleration. To clear these two terms, let us have one numerical. I have written on the board, if velocity is given 3t square plus 5 centimeter per second, you have to find out average velocity between t1 is equal to 2 second to t2 is equal to 4 second, and second case instantaneous acceleration at t is equal to 4 second. How will you find? See, average acceleration, what's the formula? This one, v2 minus v1 upon t2 minus t1. Substitute this, v2 at time 4 seconds, v1 at time 2 seconds. So for v2 you write how much time it is given, 4, so 4 square plus 5 minus, this is 3 into time interval t1 is given 2 square plus 5 divided by how much, 4 minus 2, it is how much, 16, 48 plus 5, 53 minus, this will be 17, isn't it? 2 to the 4, 3, 12 plus 5, 17 upon, this is 4 minus 2, 2. How much you can write? This is how much? 36 by 2, which is equal to 18 centimeter per second square. Sorry, this is not V average, it is A average. Second case, this was your first one. Instantaneous, V instantaneous, it is nothing but, sorry, again it is mistake, it is A instantaneous, that is your dV upon dt. So it is d by dt of what you have to calculate, 3t square plus 5. So it is 3 into 2, 6t. How much? 6 into time interval is given 4 seconds into 4, 24 centimeter per second square. You can see here instantaneous we are getting 24 and it is averages 18 centimeter per second square. Yes, I hope the concept of acceleration is very much clear to you. Go through this again and again, watch it and clear your concept. If you have any doubt, put in the comment box. I will be surely answering your question. Thank you for watching this video till the end. Don't forget to subscribe, share and comment. Don't forget to like also. Don't forget to share my videos to the maximum, and which will be increasing the subscribers. Obviously, that will be motivating me to bring more videos on more concepts. Thank you once again.